Hello.
Hello.
We're just over here overthinking.
And not drinking.
Oh, good heavens. Let's get to the bottom of that. I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
We are starting our very first recording of Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff. We're going to make some poor decisions here. So,
That's P-O-U-R.
well, yes, of course it is. And this is something that I've wanted to do since COVID, actually, and we've been talking about it for a long time, and finally are doing something about it. So we've always enjoyed making cocktails together and cooking together and coming up with recipes for this, that, and the other thing. So we thought we'd share those and some behind the scenes look at Penny for Your Shots and my Sipper Club and just the way that we like to enjoy cocktails. So that's what we're doing.
Yeah. So today we're just starting with one of our favorites, dirty martinis.
Yes, sometimes we call them filthy.
Yeah, we like dirty martinis, but some people like just vodka and lemon.
Lemon is good.
Yeah.
There are no rules here.
So dirty martini is just vodka or gin and olive juice, depending, and that's how dirty it is.
Yeah.
The more olive juice, the dirtier it is.
That hence the filthy. So yeah, we kind of like them a little on the filthy side.
Yep.
Okay, so what do you start with? Well, we like them different too, first of all. So I like a little bit more vodka. He likes a little bit more gin, because of course we do.
Yeah, so I used to drink just gin martinis, and she used to drink just vodka martinis, and then we decided
lemon.
that I like 2/3 gin and 1/3 vodka, and she likes 2/3 vodka and 1/3 gin.
Of course.
So gin is just vodka with flavor.
Yeah, it's
Has
got some botanicals.
Botanicals infused. So
And our favorite is Bombay. And I actually like the Costco London gin. It's really good.
it's very similar.
Yeah, it's very similar to Bombay, and it's a little less expensive.
Hendrick's gin is really good too.
Hendrick's
but,
is yummy.
Bombay just has a little bite to it, and that's what I like.
I said smooth. He said it's got a bite. So
No, yeah, Tanqueray, those are super smooth. Bombay,
Tanqueray tastes to me like a Christmas tree.
yeah.
So in a Christmas drink, it'd be fine. But it's not Christmas, so we're gonna try our regular version, our summer version, if you will.
We also like them different ways. I like mine up,
Of course,
and she likes hers actually
on the rocks
on a
or
rock or on a rock in a frosted glass.
big rock.
And we also do them the 007 way. Ours are shaken, not stirred. You're supposed to only stir spirit-forward cocktails. Anything that doesn't have
Here we go.
any fruit juice or anything in it is supposed to be stirred. Anything with fruit juice is supposed to be shaken. We like them shaken.
Shaken dilutes the alcohol a little bit more.
It puts little ice crystals in it too.
Yeah, and also something fun, if you really, really shake the shit out of it and get a lot of ice crystals in your drink, that is called bruised. So if you want to ask your favorite bartender to make you a bruised martini, that's what it's gonna be.
Turn it into milk.
It does look a little milky. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so what? Show them a tip too for chilling your glass.
Yeah, if you're chilling a glass like this, we just put some ice in the glass, put some water in the glass, and then just let it sit while we're making the cocktail, and then we'll dump it out just prior to pouring it in.
Yep. And I keep my rocks glasses, we keep our rocks glasses in the freezer, and that also does the same thing. So if you have room in your freezer to put a glass, do that.
Yeah. So I'll make mine first.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to use brand new crack.
Ooh, it's a new one. Look that for us.
Polished the other one off last night.
So how much are you measuring
So
here?
I am running 2 ounces of gin.
Look how cute this little...
Yeah, it's OXO, and it's got readings on the inside. It's really awesome.
You know, we're all about the accessories.
Yep. Oxo makes another one too that I think is in the dishwasher at the moment.
Yeah.
But
Of course it is.
and it's a double-sided one. It's really good also.
So 2 ounces of gin.
2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of vodka
Okay.
for me.
Yep. In your handy dandy penny for your shots shaker.
Vermouth. So
Oh, right.
it does call for vermouth.
Oh, please. We forgot to get it out beforehand. So we'll do,
So
you
a
know.
dry martini has very little vermouth in it, and a not so dry martini has more vermouth in it.
Mm-hmm.
And we used to just sort of wave the bottle by the glass and call it good. But I do put a little in.
Depends
I
on the
just take a
day.
cap and put about a third of a cap full or so in there.
So that seems kind of specific. You could just ish it, couldn't you?
Yeah, try it different ways.
Okay.
Try it with, without, whatever. Yeah.
Make it easy.
And olive juice. Just
Mm.
depends on how dirty you like them. So I'm going to use about a half ounce of olive juice on this one.
Mm-hmm.
And get my olives on my pick while I'm here. Set those.
You're only going to do 2 olives tonight?
2.
He usually does 3.
These are queens.
Queen, you size queen. I love it.
Okay, so we're gonna
Get
shake
loud
it.
again. Doesn't matter how many ice cubes.
Oh, 6 or so.
Okay.
The lid on.
Right by the microphone.
Better?
It's part of the experiments, right? It's just, you know.
Okay.
Then you can dump the ice out.
Dump my glass.
Mm. Hence the milkiness. Mama's milk.
This is Papa's milk.
There you go. Dirty.
Maybe.
Oh, our toothpicks aren't long enough.
There we go.
Oh, cute. Very cute. Okay. So you're gonna have. Okay.
Right.
You're gonna just have a drink before you cheers.
Taste. Oh, okay. I'll make yours. It won't take long.
That's bad luck.
All right.
Okay, he's gonna have to dump this out.
Okay.
Okay, so now for mine,
Almost the same version, except I'm going to do
But-
1 ounce of
kind of the
gin,
opposite with the gin and vodka. So 1 ounce gin and 2 ounces of vodka.
2 ounces of vodka.
Mm-hmm. Same
And
amount of vermouth and
yeah, we'll just do the vermouth and the olive juice the same.
okay. Oh, and the glass. And the rock. Coffee glass. Did you get the olive juice? I wasn't looking. I wasn't
did.
supervising the whole
I did.
time. Oh. I trust you. Is that bruised?
It's bruised. Damn, they're beat up.
Oh, I should have had you pour that in. Yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't have that up high enough so you could see him pour it, but
Very frosty.
yes. Okay, olives. What? Oh my God, I'm shaking. There we go. One up and one on the rock. Cheers. Mmm.
Oh yeah.
It's good. Yeah. Be careful not to stab yourself with the toothpick.
And remember, martinis are like
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
martinis are like breasts. One is too few and three is too many.
There you go. Cheers, friends. Yay, our first video.
Hey. And we got to drink.
And we got to drink. More of that to come.